that's it. Right. Today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, first, what you have to do is just simply open the application. Then, to add a location, just simply click on to add something. Just simply click on the yellow icon at the right hand side panel. And as you can see, there is no GPS reception. So click on OK and make sure your GPS is enabled and your location is enabled on the application. So after I've enabled all of it, click on the icon again. Now if you want to add a place, click on the place icon at the third row, click on it. Then click a photo of your place, then click on the slide icon. Now add description about your location. Then after you have done that, just click on no thanks or edit details, whatever you want. So let's edit some details. Now as you can see, this is the location that I entered. I'm just gonna enter a house number. You can also change the location if you want to, like this, and the location will be changed. So after doing all of the changes, click on done and click OK. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.